Hey there, Shopify merchants! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. I'm showing you how to use Shopify apps to enhance your store. There are 6 steps in total, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and install the right apps to take your Shopify store to the next level. Let's get started. Why are Shopify apps so important? Apps allow you to extend the functionality of your Shopify store, adding new features and capabilities without needing to code. Whether you want to improve your marketing, optimize your checkout process, or enhance customer engagement, there's always an app for your needs. Let's start by accessing the Shopify App Store. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click Apps in the left-hand menu, and then select Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find thousands of apps designed to help you enhance your store. Finding the right apps can be overwhelming, but Taranker makes it easy. Go to taranker.com and scroll to the bottom of the page to find Shopify app categories. Here, you can explore all categories, along with top free apps, top 20 apps 2024, and best apps for each category. Select the category you're interested in and start browsing. For example, if you're looking for upsell and cross-sell apps, navigate to that category. With features like Compare and detailed reviews from real Shopify users, you'll be able to choose the app that's perfect for your needs. Let's say you found Zotabox in the upsell and cross-sell apps category. Zotabox is a powerful tool that offers essential features like email marketing, promotions, social buttons, and more, which can replace multiple apps and help you optimize your store efficiently. You can read all the information about the app, such as the description, introduction, video, and rating and reviews. To use Zotabox, click Install App button on Zotabox page and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open Zotabox and explore its features like promotional bars, social buttons, and pop-ups. These tools can help you engage customers, promote sales, and grow your email list. After installing the app, it's time to configure it. Each function will have its own setup process, but most will guide you through the necessary steps. For Zotabox, you'll need to set up different tools like promotional bars. That creates a sense of FOMO and urges your customers to grab the deal quickly, driving more sales for your store. Pop-ups. That betters your chance of getting more email subscriptions, allowing for more data during your upselling campaigns. And social buttons to enhance your store. That can easily guide your customers towards your social media, keeping them connected with your brand. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Make sure to explore the app's features and settings to customize it to your needs. It's important to monitor the performance of the apps you install. Use the app's built-in analytics and reporting tools to track their impact on your store. For example, Zotabox provides insights into how well your promotional tools are performing. Regularly review these metrics to ensure the app is delivering the desired results. If an app isn't performing as expected, consider adjusting its settings or trying a different app. Don't be afraid to use multiple apps to enhance different aspects of your store. For instance, Abelo can help you streamline your dropshipping process. And Smile.io can build a loyalty program for your customers. Each app brings unique features that can help you grow your business. Just make sure to monitor how they interact with each other and ensure they don't negatively impact your store's performance. And that's it. You've learned how to use Shopify apps to enhance your store in 6 steps. By following these steps and leveraging the right tools from Taranker, you can take your Shopify store to new heights. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!